This video is for Frank and Alfred. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see and hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's fine with me. So I'll get right to it. 3 things I'm going to be talking about in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on your homepage of your website right now. And when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's going to be on this homepage. Words, pictures, videos, everything. So as a general rule of thumb, to be searched by Google itself and to outrank your competition, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage by itself. So once again, you want to have at least 1,500 words. And looks like you guys are missing a header down here. So you can definitely look into that as well. So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. And before I do that, let me just quickly show you. I did a small search for HVAC companies in New York City. This is what pops up on Google. So when a customer searches a business, it's exactly what they're going to see as well. This top section right here, it's called the Google Guarantee. This is basically a paid service from Google. And it's not everybody can basically get on there. You got to go through a verification process with Google to verify your business. Once you do, you are allowed to place ads up in here. It's a really good place to be because that's the first thing customers see, and it provides really strong leads. Secondly, we move down to this section right here. This is called the traditional Google Ads section. It's a hit or miss in 2020 because a lot of people got ad blockers. If they got that, they're not going to see this at all. But people still do it. As you can see, businesses still buy Google Ads. So if placed properly with the good offer and the correct words, you can definitely land some leads from here too. Then we move down to this section. It's called the Map Pack section, Google Map Pack. And over here, I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, telephone number, and address. And that's exactly what we see here. We see the name, address, phone number, along with other things like hours of operation, link to the website. It's a great place for a business to be on, and we help businesses move their names right onto this top 3 section. After that, we move down to this section, which is called your organic section. This is where the websites have ranked up and beat out their competition organically and made it to the first page of Google searches. It's a great place to be. The last thing I'm going to talk about is going to be backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which gives a link to you guys, to your website, which potentially can drive traffic and give you great keywords. So let me just show you something. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a really good tool. They buy their information directly from Google and present it to me in a way where I can assess the performance of any website. So this is you guys right here, compacthvac.com. As you can see, what I was talking about, referring domains, there's only 25 out there which are linking to you, giving you 176 backlinks, 28 keywords, netting you a total of 14 organic traffic per month. So that's basically the number of people visiting your website in a month. Now to put this into context, I've prepared another top competitor in New York City to show you what their numbers look like. Right here. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference. Let me just run the numbers by you. So they got 716 referring domains, more than 3,000 backlinks, more than 26,000 keywords, and most importantly, they got at least 26,000 people visiting their website every single month. That's organic traffic. So this is where you want to be heading towards. Let me go back to yours for a second right here. So to boost all these numbers, it's really doable, and that's exactly what we specialize in, as well as all the things I mentioned today. Now, as I told you, I'll keep this video short. We provide all different kind of services, and that's all I had for you today. I really hope you found the video to be educational, and if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. We can chat. If not, that's fine by me. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. I'd just like to get some feedback from you on what you thought about the video and how I did. That'll be great. And with that, thank you for watching. You have a great day.